Okay, here we go. Lesson one. I'm really excited about this. Uh, First, because like I'm excited for the lesson, obviously. I know you've worked really hard on it, and I'm excited to learn a thing. I'm not excited to show off how dumb I am, but that's okay. Maybe I'll do great. I'm also excited to see all your video editing because I know you worked hard on that too. So let's get into it. Oh boy, there's me. Sorry, I didn't dress up quite as much this time. I just got off work and I am feeling like being comfy. Ooh, subtitles. Did you link it for me? Because then I wouldn't have to do any work. Nope, you didn't. Well, dang, I guess I have to look for it now. Okay, wait, I'm already lost. What do I need to do? Oh, look! Subtitles. Pycharm. Ah, they hide the free one, huh? Okay, okay, I see. Download unverified files. Do it. Get the virus. It's taking a minute. Oh, I love your voice. I'm just gonna listen to it again. No, not you. Not you. I got distracted. My download finished. Run. PyCharm Community Edition. Finish. Alright, does mine look like that? Yeah, I read the whole dang thing. I swear. Send anonymous statistics. Sure, whatever. I don't care. Uh, yeah, close enough. I don't want your onboarding tour. Oh boy, don't look at any of this stuff. We're gonna cut this out too, because you guys do not need to be seeing my file structure. Does programming have 1M or 2? Hmm, I guess we'll never know. Wait, you're going too fast! Python version. Mine didn't have a version. Wait, mine didn't have a version. I don't have a version. I don't have a version. I don't have one. Where did it go? Everything is wrong already. Because I moved it? Ugh! No! Stop! Where did I download it to? Oh no. I've already lost it. I've already lost my mind. Okay, so I'm not asking you for help. That's the whole premise here. I have to do this myself. Let me try this again. Where did it go to begin with? Fuck. What? Why do I get no options now? No. David, I broke it. Come on. Okay. You know what? No, no, no. This is your fault. This is definitely your fault. You missed a step. 'Cause you've got something that I don't have. No, you've got something that I don't have. Detected in the system. Mine's not. Python 312. Python 312. What does that mean? What is Python 312? New project. Yes! Okay. Process finished with exit code 0. Is that what was supposed to happen? I'm sorry, what? Does mean something Python is just... It's a... Fuck! Your subtitles are on your notation. What? It's because I capitalized that. Oh, holy shit. There we go. Hey! Okay. No capitalizing. Got it. Okay. Moving. Took me way too long. Don't use your fancy math terms on me. I didn't go to university. Oh, it forces people to make pretty readable code. I like that. You're not applying for a job here, bucko. You don't need references. Do not put 69. Do not put 69. Sorry, bud. Better luck next time. Get out of here. I'm almost done. I've just got to your challenges. How are you doing that? You didn't explain that. No, wait a minute. No. You need to explain this thing that you're doing. What? How are you making all of them at once? That's pretty. You did a good job. Yeah, I want to exit. Okay, well, I'm not going to do the challenges right now because I'm a little brain dead. I will probably do a refresher a little bit on that later and do the challenges. We'll be back.